Hey, quick question. If you skip the backdoor Roth IRA in 2026, you could be walking away from $850,000 in tax-free retirement money. Yeah, that's what 1 year's contribution can grow into over 30 years. Most people never hear about this loophole, so they just leave it on the table. Stick with me. I've got this buddy Mike, smart software engineer here in the United States. Last year, he made about $185K. He maxed his 401k, thought he was set. Then his accountant said, "Sorry, Mike, your income's too high for a Roth." Meanwhile, Sarah, who earns almost the same, used the back door and put her full $7,500 into a Roth. Same investments, but hers grow completely tax-free. Mike's now facing a future tax bill that could eat $150,000 or more. He told me, "Man, I wish I'd known this sooner." So here's the myth everyone hears. Once you earn too much, the IRS shuts the door on Roth IRAs forever. Here's the 2026 reality. The back door is still wide open. You contribute to a traditional IRA, then convert straight to a Roth. Your money grows and comes out tax-free. The limit is still $7,500 if you're under 50, or $8,600 if you're 50 or older. At $50,000 income, you can contribute the full $7,500 straight to a Roth. No backdoor needed. At $100,000 income, same thing. Full $7,500 direct Roth contribution. What if you already have money in a traditional IRA? That's the pro rata rule. Easy fix. Roll it into your 401k first, or take a small tax hit this year. What if you're married, filing jointly, and one spouse is over the limit? No problem. The higher earner can still run the back door on their own IRA. Here's your simple 2026 plan. Step 1, open a traditional IRA at Fidelity or Vanguard. Takes 5 minutes. Step 2, fund it with up to $7,500 non-deductible. Step 3, convert it immediately to a Roth at the same place. Step 4, report it with Form 8606 on your taxes. That's all. Pro tip, do this every single year and income limits will never bother you again. If this saves you from leaving $850,000 on the table, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway or your income level this year. Hit subscribe and the bell for more 2026 strategies. Thanks for watching. Now go open that account.